Hi there! Welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into fascinating stories. Did you know your genes are not your destiny? That's right. Epigenetics is the science of how your lifestyle and environment can influence your genes without changing the DNA itself. Imagine your DNA as a piano. Every cell in your body has the same keys, but epigenetics determines which keys are played and when. It's like a conductor guiding the music of your life. Factors like what you eat, how much you exercise, stress, and even sleep can add or remove tiny chemical tags on your DNA. These tags act like switches, turning genes on or off. For example, eating healthy and staying active can switch on genes that promote good health. On the other hand, smoking or chronic stress might switch on genes linked to diseases. What's even more fascinating, some of these changes can be passed on to your children. That means the choices you make today could shape the health of future generations. Epigenetics is unlocking secrets about cancer, aging, mental health, and more. It's a reminder that while you can't change your DNA, you can influence how it works. So what kind of legacy are you writing in your genes? Make choices today that your future self, and maybe even your kids, will thank you for. That's epigenetics, science that puts you in control of your health story. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.